just like when you're doing any marketing on any platform, the important thing is to put the message in front of the right people. So that is the most important thing with any marketing endeavor. That's called message to market match. And essentially what it means is you can pretty much put a average or even a crappy message in front of the right people, and it will work. But it doesn't matter if you put the best marketing message that you can possibly put together. If you put that in front of the wrong people, then they will never ever buy. So that's a little bit about what Mitch is talking about. So when I put my stuff together, let's just see where I am. All right, so this is my Facebook ads account, and I use Facebook to market all of my products on Amazon. It's a very, very good strategy, something I cover in the training, so it's all in there, so don't worry too much about it. I go into it in great detail. However, it will really depend on what your goal is. So I use Facebook to get reviews. I also use it to launch products, and I use it for making money on Amazon too. And the two, launching products and making money, you'd think they were the same thing, but actually they're not. When I launch a product, I'm not really focused on making money. I'm focused on launching the product onto Amazon. So when I put it together, let's just quickly go through for you. So traffic, we won't split test. I'm just going to very, very quickly do this for you so you can have a look. So I'm either going to use, if I can get them, then I will do a custom audience. So you can see some of my custom audiences there. I will do custom audiences. If I can get the email address of the people who purchased my product in the past, then I will use that to create a custom audience, and that's going to be your number one way of marketing on Facebook. But if I can't get that, and oftentimes you can't, then I'm going to go with my demographic information, which is my location, my age, my gender, and then my targeting. So I always put down my targeting for people who like Amazon.com. So that one there. Anybody, I want to make sure that they like Amazon.com, so I've done some shopping on Amazon.com. That's what that really means. I always put as well, they like coupons, particularly when I'm going to be doing my launch. So my launch, if I'm using coupons to launch, then I want to make sure that I'm going to put my coupons into there too. And then I put my similar kind of things that people going after. So for instance, if I'm doing, I don't know, a skincare line, for instance, and I'm marketing my skincare line, then I might want to have L'Oreal, depending on who's actually in my marketplace, I might want to have those in there as well. So I'll put in people like that to get my reach up. And I'm looking for at least 50,000 people in that potential reach area there. I'm looking for that as a minimum to start going ahead, and for launch, or for making money, I'm looking for at least 50,000 people. So that gives you some ideas for that. You can use purchase behavior, but oftentimes you don't have good data for purchase behavior. And so I have personally found it to be not as effective as using interests and interest-based marketing. That's been my experience of that, Mitch. I hope that helps. And as I said, I use Facebook heaps. I use it for all of the stuff I sell on Amazon, definitely, and I use it for getting reviews. I'm experimenting now with a new strategy for getting reviews that uses Facebook Messenger, and I'm having some very, very good results with that. And so that's something I'll be teaching my inner circle group in due course once I've ironed out all the bugs in it. But I'm using it for lots and lots of stuff, even though there's all this kind of stuff around Cambridge Analytica at the minute. It's still extremely good. It is a marketer's wet dream selling things on Facebook. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.